Hello friends, today we are at my best friend's place, Rinku Sinha. I know her for the last 28 years. She is a family for me. Today going to share a secret recipe with us. So let's ask what she is making her for today. Hi
शांति,
Rinku.
थैंक यू। आपने इतना अच्छा मुझे ये मौका दिया है, आज इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे मिल रहा है। रियली आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड ब्लेस कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म शांति से मुझे आज मिल रहा है। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माय सीक्रेट रेसिपी ऑफ मटन which is very popular in Bihar. I am from Bagalpur and this mutton goes very hit during Durga Puja, Navami and Holi. And this recipe I got from my mother. My mother got from her mother. So it's going generation to generation. Sound like I add instantly. So I feel ki this will give good taste.
Improve the taste.
Yeah.
Wow. And one more secret. This is a super hit recipe whenever we have a get together. We will just waiting to have this mutton from her. This is the Buna Wash you're going to make with Rinku?
Yes. कम शांति, हम जाके किचन में आज उसका तरीका देखेंगे कि कैसे वो बनता है और कैसे हम लोग उसको इंजॉय करते हैं। मटन 1 kg, ओनियन 600 ग्राम, जिंजर पेस्ट 3 टेबलस्पून, गार्लिक 2 टेबलस्पून, हल्दी 1 टेबलस्पून, मिर्च पाउडर 2 टेबलस्पून, जीरा पाउडर 1 टेबलस्पून, धनिया 3 टेबलस्पून, घी, मस्टर्ड ऑयल एंड रिफाइंड ऑयल, चिली, तेज पत्ता, क्रश पेपर, बड़ी इलायची, छोटी इलायची, लवंग।
What is that we need for a marination?
First of all, mustard oil, I love, and salt. Okay, 3 spoon of 1 kg mutton for 3 spoon of dhania powder.
That is tablespoons you are using?
Tablespoon.
Good.
1 tablespoon haldi.
Okay.
1.5 jeera powder.
Roasted cumin powder?
Yeah. This is mirchi powder as per your
Yeah. Choice, na?
Yeah.
I think this is a spicy one, I think.
it's a spicy
Yeah.
one. This is a thick halal.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you put 2 tablespoons Rinku?
Yeah.
Chili powder? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
2 tablespoon garlic paste.
Yeah.
For thick gravy, you require more ginger paste. So I am adding 3 tablespoon of ginger paste.
Okay. Freshly grinded paste, na?
Freshly.
Yeah, very nice.
Freshly. Salt, mustard.
Mustard oil?
Yeah. I love.
Good.
3 tablespoon.
I think you are generously you are using.
3 tablespoon.
Yeah.
Salt as per your taste.
Okay.
Yeah. Pepper crush.
I think it's almost 1 tablespoon, I think.
Yeah.
Pepper?
Yeah.
Fresh pepper? Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm not going to add full.
Yeah.
As per feel.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want more spicy, you can add food.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 red chili.
Okay, dry red chili.
Yeah. Dry red chili.
Okay, even this goes into the marination.
Yes. Cloves.
Okay.
7-8 number.
And
छोटी
green-
इलायची.
green cardamom.
Green
Yeah.
cardamon. Yeah. That's
Only half you are putting.
Yeah.
The rest will go in the end.
Later I will put
the
once
remains. Okay.
gravy.
Okay.
Okay. Little bit of ghee.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I have to mix it properly.
And leave it for marination. Isn't it?
Yeah. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour.
How much oil Rinku?
For 1 kg mutton Shanti, I took refined oil 150
ml. Okay, good.
एंड ऑयल अच्छे से गर्म हो गया है, वो समझ में आ रहा है मुझे. सो अभी हम उसमें तेज पत्ता डाल रहे हैं. तेज पत्ता के बाद हम 1-2 बड़ी इलायची, रेस्ट हम जब रेडी हो जाएगा उसके बाद हम उसको पाउडर बना के डालेंगे. 1-2 बड़ी इलायची, ओनियन, इसको हम अच्छा गोल्डन ब्राउन होने तक भूनेंगे. हम एक्चुअली एक तरीका है कि अगर हमको ओनियन को जल्दी सॉफ्ट करना है तो वी कैन ऐड लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट. ओके, उससे हमको जल्दी गोल्डन टर्न हो जाता है वो. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड सॉल्ट. ओनियन गोल्डन ब्राउन हो चुका है. इस स्टेज पे लाने के लिए मुझे हाई फ्लेम पे 15 मिनट्स तक मैंने इनको भुना है ओनियन को. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड मटन, मैरिनेटेड मटन. या के साथ पूरा अच्छे तरह से इनको हमको मिक्स करना है.
How much time देखो कितने देर तक भूनने वाली हो?
एटलीस्ट आई थिंक शांति 40 मिनट्स इट विल टेक.
लगातार भूनते भूनते इसको बनाना है.
नहीं, हम थोड़ा इनको अभी सिम पे छोड़ेंगे सो दैट वो अच्छे से पूरे मटन हीट हो जाए ऑनियन के साथ. ओके, तो थोड़ा हम फ्लेम को लो कर देंगे अभी.
Wow, Rinku, it looks so beautiful, yeah. So much nice oil is floating and looking yummy.
यस शांति, एक्चुअली मिनिमम ये मुझे लग रहा है कि 20 मिनट्स हो चुके हैं इसको भूनते हुए. और ये इसको मैं भूनते भूनते ही पका लूंगी.
अच्छा, इस ओपन कुकिंग you're going to do.
यस
Wow, nice.
बिकॉज लो फ्लेम पे बहुत ही अच्छे से आराम से ये पकता है. सो हमको कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा मैं चेक करती हूँ ये डन है कि नहीं, बट आई थिंक ये थोड़ा सा और लगेगा. मीनवाइल आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड द क्रश ब्लैक कार्डोमम एंड ग्रीन कार्डोमम. थोड़ा सा भूनने के बाद थोड़ा सा हम इसमें वाटर ऐड करेंगे.
So for the jhol you're going to add little water?
Yeah,
Okay.
because people love to have this dish with rice and chapati, both, and paratha also. So थोड़ा सा हमको ग्रेवी चाहिए. I check it's cooked. Now we can switch off stove.
Actually, mutton is a very special dish in our family since very beginning. Whenever I saw from my childhood, this is one of the dish people are enjoying maximum. And occasion like a Holi, Durga Puja, it is a very popular dish. And we are making in bulk. So entire family and neighborhood also can enjoy the taste of the mutton. So this is one of our special preparation, and particularly in Holi, mutton, rice and malpua we are adding to that. important is that whenever it is getting in our house, everybody, child and elders, they are very curious how much time it will take to prepare.
Okay.
And then every moment they are trying to know the status. What is the status of the preparation? Just now you might have seen that. Now we are frying. And during the fry itself, people will go and see that. What is the status?
Whether it's
And-
cooked or not. So then happy to eat it.
Correct.
Oh,
And-
that's great.
After 15-20 minutes, the fragrance of that mutton is going all around the
Neighborhood.
neighborhood also.
Oh.
And then people will say, okay, आपके यहाँ मटन बन रहा है क्या? So this is the symbol of that.
Yeah.
And after half an hour, when it will just eatable, people will try to look and they will taste the mutton fry. So like that, around 50% of the mutton will go on tasting itself.
Okay.
So this is the beauty of that.
Okay.
So this is one kind of not only preparation but involvement of the full family. It is fantastic. So that's why I told कि we are taking the quantity little more. So even for fry,
Yeah.
everybody is tasting whether it is okay, and once it is approved,
Yeah.
then only we are mixing the water in that.
Okay. For that jhol you want.
Yeah,
for
that is because rice curry means jhol.
Yeah.
We are calling in our local language jhol, mutton jhol.
Yeah. Curry is called.
So that is it is little more whenever we are eating that. And we have in that special rice, we are calling in the local language katarni chawal. That also, the fragrance is superb. So deadly combination of mutton and that rice.
Katarni rice.
Katarni rice, that is wonderful. So thank you very much for making this video, and I hope a lot of people will enjoy. And I'm inviting the people also, whenever they are free, they can come to our place for getting the mutton and rice. So this is I'm thankful to the entire team. Suresh ji,
Thank you, Sivaji, for sharing your such a amazing recipe with us. Thank you. Nice having you on the phone.
I hope ki all the people who have seen the video, they will prepare and they will enjoy this type of mutton preparation.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you all.
Now Shanti, it's ready to be served.
Wow.
Come, we will enjoy.
Thanks, Rinku, for sharing this amazing recipe. Hope you guys will try this at home. If you like it, please do share and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you, and hope you all will like this recipe and enjoy.